This is Austin Campbell, and this is my author study PowerPoint presentation. Neil Gaiman was born in Hampshire, UK on November 10, 1960. Currently, he lives in the US. He had two sisters, and his father's name was David Gaiman, and his mother's name was Sheila Gaiman. He is now married to Mary McGrath, and they have 3 children. He went to Fonthill School in England and Ardingly College from 1970 to 1974. He has had a successful career, and it started with American Gods, Caroline, and many other novels and short stories. Gaiman is also the author of a number of successful teleplays and radio scripts. His first book was Duran Duran biography that took him 3 months to write, and his second was a biography of Douglas Adams, Don't Panic, the official Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy companion. Some fun facts: Neil was in a punk band. He says they were offered a record deal, but they passed it up because it was engineered to screw them over. The other one would be that Neil loved to cook. These are 3 books that he wrote. The Graveyard Book, about a boy who was adopted by the supernatural occupants of the graveyard after his family was brutally murdered. The second one is The Wolves in the Walls, which is about a story about a little girl that hears wolves in her walls, but her parents don't believe her. And the third one is Odd and the Frost Giants. This is about a boy's dad who died and drowned, and the adopted dad, say, beats him and neglects him to make his children feel better. These are some more books that Neil Gaiman wrote. These are some awards he was up for or won. LA Times Book Prize for Young Adult Literature finalist, World Fantasy Award, and the finalist for the Amelia Elizabeth Walden Award, and shortlisted for British Fantasy Award for Best Novel.